Hello, today I am going to show you how we can create a register and login form in PHP with high security. So first of all, we have required one database. Database name is login register. Now we have to create one table. We create one table. Registration, and we are going to use 6 field. First one is ID, primary key and auto increment. Then we are going to take first name, last name, username, password, and then we have required gender. First name is 25, 25, 25, 25, and here we have required 6. Now I am going to save. So right now we have one table, registration. So we are going to create now one registration form. Enter first name, and now we are going to take text box. Last name, username, password, and then we have required gender. For gender we are going to use radio button. Input type radio, name R1, male, and again I am going to take here female and R1. And now we are going to save this form. So here we are going to create one folder. Registration login, and in this we are going to take one name, registration.php, and now we need one submit button. And yes, during this video you can see the path of this code. I will upload this old code in my Google Docs, and then I will give you a path, so you can easily download from there, so you don't need to type anything. Input type submit, name submit one, value click. Not, we are going to take value submit. First we will check here localhost registration login, and then the registration.php. So right now we have this type of form. Now first of all, as a security purpose, we have to use here one required. This is the HTML5 validation. We need to change the name of this text box, but right now first of all we are going to give this. In radio button 1 we are by default one selected. Why this is not checked. Now we are going to change the name and T4. and we pass required. So what happened when we are going to press this button? We need prompted. You can see we get this type of message. Now if you want to change this message, then you have to add here one title tag. Title, please enter proper first name. Now you get that error message. We have to check in from so this title is not working, so not required for that, but we will get error message. Now we want pattern. We want to use here only A to Z, so we have to pass like this, A to Z, A to Z. So if I am going to pass here numeric, then you can see here I get a red corner. If I am going to pass A, okay, you can see here now it is working. Now this same required in last name also and username also. In username we can allow like this 0 to 9, and password also we require 0-9. Now we are going to do now database connectivity. Submit one, and we are going to use mysql. The advantage of mysql is in mysql user cannot use SQL injection, so it will secure. Now mysql select DB, and database name is login register, and now we are going to do here also $link, here also $link, and here insert into registration values, and we have to pass 6 parameter. 6 $post T1, $post T2, $post T3, $post T4, and now $post T5. And here first of all we check that this work or not. And here we have to change input type password, so character will be hide now. Amit, Andipra, Amit, password is also Amit, mail and submit. Now we are going to check here we get record or not. Yes, we did not get gender. Why? Because here we have to pass _post r1. Now we are going to empty this table and check again. Then we will going to check username should be unique. Amit, Andipra, again Amit, and mail and submit. Now you can see, okay, we get here on because here we have to pass value male and value female. Now again empty, and we are going to check, so you can get easily idea which type of mistake you are going to do. Amit, Andipra, Amit, mail, submit. Now you can see we get here mail. Now we have to perform an operation. Before insert this query, we have to check username is already in table. Then we have to give one message, error message, and username is unique. Then the insert query should be executed. Okay, so $res is equal to mysql I query. Before this insert query, we are going to check that $link select star from registration where username is equal to our username text box is T3. Username is equal to T3. Now we are going to perform here while operation, while $o. Otherwise we can like this, $count is equal to 0, $count is equal to mysql I underscore number of rows, and here we can pass $res and here echo $count. I am going to comment this query, and now again Amit, whatever, we have to check only this. I am going to pass here Amit and check. You can see we found one record in table. If I am going to like this username, this type of username is not available in table, so we get here 0. So now here we have to put one condition: if $count greater than 0, otherwise else. In else we are going to perform this. And here we have to give one alert. Script type text script, sorry, and alert, this username already exists, please choose another. Now this type of message we have to pass here, but here we have to write record inserted successfully, record inserted successfully, username Amit. Now we can see we get one error message, this username already exists, please choose another, and here only one record, the second record is not inserted. Okay, now we are going to add a new record, Amit1. Okay, here one is not possible. Username, first name should be Amit A, last name is Amit B, and username is Amit Andipra, and password is ABCD, and now submit. We get here message record inserted successfully, and now we are going to check. Here you can see we get this record here. So this way we can create registration form. Now we are going to perform login page. Login.php. Here again we have to write form text, form name form1, action, and then need method post table, then tr, then td, enter username, td, input type text, name t1, here again enter password, and here t2, and we are going to do here password, and now we are going to hit submit button. Input type submit, name submit 1, and value is login. You can see here now we have one login form. Now here again if is set $post submit 1, and first of all from here we have to take username and password validation. Then we need this here we have to give condition if $count greater than 0, otherwise else. In else we have to give error message. Alert the or incorrect username or password. And now if username password is correct, then if condition will be executed, and here we have to pass window.location is equal to welcome.php. Now we are going to check. First of all we are going to enter incorrect username password, so we get here message incorrect username or password. Now we have username is Amit Andipra and password is ABCD. Amit Andipra and password is ABCD. Why? Okay. Amit Andipra ABCD, and now you can say we get this page welcome.page, but right now we don't have this page, but otherwise code is perfect. Now we are going to use here MD5 function for encrypt the password. So $pwd in insert form MD5, and here $post T3. So here now password is for T4, so here T4, and here we are going to pass $twd. Now we are going to register again one record. Mahesh, username is also Mahesh, and password is also Mahesh, and mail. Now we are going to check here. You can see the password is encrypted now. Now for login page we are going to change something. Here we have to use like this, and password for T2, and here we have to pass $pwd. Now in login page First of all, I am going to write incorrect username and password. You can see here I get message. Now I know username is Mahesh and password is also Mahesh, and then I am going to pass here login. Why? Mahesh. Let me check. Okay, now I am going to check our answer is perfect or not. This MD5, and I am going to write here Mahesh. Maybe due to typing mistake, sometimes this type of error we occur. Now we are going to check this 49BB 1F. Oh, the problem is that here we take 25 characters only, and encrypted format should not be stored in this. So now I am going to change and 100 character. Now I am going to delete this entry and we will enter again. Mahesh, mail and submit. Record inserted successfully. Now we are going to check here. You can see we get totally. Now we are going to login page. Last character is A. Okay, so now total record is saved. Now I am going to write here Mahesh and again Mahesh and login. This is the welcome.php. So this way we can create secure. This is the totally secure registration login form. Thank you.